Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is my YouTube channel dedicated to my ongoing beginner's journey in the world of watches. In today's episode, I will be unboxing and sharing with you, let's put it on wrist, the limited edition TIMEX Pacman collection. Let's go. Now, as you guys can see with the box, it is, well, Pacman inspired. You have Pacman, all the different ghosts that he eats. Even, actually, the names of the characters are printed in the back. Just in case you guys are curious and you want to find out what the names are of those ghosts that he eats, it's all there. So if you pop the box open, it comes in this really nice packaging. So some sort of like acrylic plastic with Pacman about to eat the pellets over here. This top part slides outwards and then it reveals the actual timepiece. The model that they actually used for this collaboration is the T80 digital watch. So this is a retro-inspired piece, and you do see the elements of the Pacman design all over the face of the watch. Now, it comes in three colors. This one, I think, is like the silver. There is a gold version over here, and there is also, if you're more into darker colors, some sort of like black color. So these are the three colors that you can get for the Pacman TIMEX collection. They're really nice. Of the three, my favorite is this black one because it just goes with anything. And then second would be the silver one. The last would be gold. I'm not a gold kind of guy when it comes to my watches. Now, what do I love about this watch? Number one, I grew up playing Pacman. I was born in the 1980s, so I do remember playing Pacman a lot with my father, with my older brother, with my family. It was such an awesome experience to bond with your family back then on stuff that wasn't connected to the internet. So back then, it was a very communal thing. When you had a computer, you play it with other people. That was the best way to enjoy the computer. Now, if you have your phone, you're pretty much by yourself. So this one just brings me back, and that, I guess, is what the watch is all about. And that's the nostalgia that it brings, the joy that it brings, the smile that it brings on the faces of people who grew up playing Pacman and have awesome memories with Pacman with their family. So this one is genuinely spot on for my generation, for people like me, again, who had that experience when they were younger. Now, if you take a look at the watch, another thing that I love about it is the bracelet. It just looks super dope, super kick-ass. It looks so much more expensive than it is because this watch actually just sells for 4,690 pesos. That's a little less than $100. So that's fantastic value for money with the collaboration and the overall design, especially that really nice looking bracelet. I love the bracelet for this one. Now, it is rather small. If you look at it, it's 34 millimeters in diameter, but it actually looks pretty good even on my gigantic 8-inch wrist. Obviously, it's not like size proportion. You know, I usually wear 40 to 45, sometimes even bigger watches. But this one, just because it's so much fun, because it's retro inspired, it's vintage inspired, I feel that you can get away wearing with it even if you have a big wrist. Now, in terms of functions, it does have an alarm, it does have a stopwatch, it has the date display, so pretty much most of what you would need in one glance, you would know when it comes to time. A second thing that it has is that it actually plays the iconic Pacman melody. So if you want to listen to it to bring you back to the old days, then that's another way of reliving the nostalgia of the game and the memories that you have with the game itself. Now, here's the good news. If you guys want one, TIMEX Philippines is actually offering a summer offer. If you buy any of the Pacman TIMEX watches until May 31, you can pick a color of a free marathon TIMEX watch. As you guys can see, very clean, very easy to wear digital watch that you can get for free if you buy until May 31. If you want to buy it online, you don't want to make the trip to a shop, you can drop by timex.ph or watchrepublicshop.com to buy your TIMEX Pacman watch. So those who don't know, by the way, I'm sure you know by now, but TIMEX, of course, is one of the biggest and best brands when it comes to watches. They've been here since 1854, and the quality of their products and the value that they offer is amazing. Now, if you guys want to go to a physical shop, they have branches over at MOA, SM North EDSA, Mega Mall, Glorieta 4, and TIMEX shop over at Mactan, Cebu. So what do you guys think of the Pacman TIMEX watches? Which color you like the most? Which piece you would love to rock? What do you think of the overall value for money? Let me know in the comment section down below. As usual, I'll try my best to reply to as many of you as possible. This is Carlo signing out. I hope you guys are all doing fine. Happy weekend to all those living in the Philippines. When I upload this, I'm uploading this on a Saturday. And as usual, keep safe everyone. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.